Now, I will leave you with, because you probably want to know, well, what do you like? This is not advice, because I don't know your personal circumstances, but you'll occasionally see breathless headlines like Goldman says, buy these 20 stocks, they have the most potential. So we looked at it. We looked at their names, which they said, and then we looked at which ones meet our metrics. I don't care if they like it. I want to know, does it meet my valuation metric? Does it meet my metric for revenue growth? Does it meet my metric? Because my metrics are a hell of a lot stricter than theirs. You know why? Because whichever companies I have to invest in, whether it's, like I said, whether it's, I don't know, PayPal or a Adobe or a Microsoft or an NVIDIA, so I've put on the left which ones I happen to own, well, they're looking after my retirement money. That's what those companies are doing, obviously, because I've invested in them. Or they're looking after my son's future. So they better be bloody good. So I better filter down from 10,000. There is no fund manager on earth who gives a damn about my retirement as much as I do, or my son's future as much as I do. They do give a damn about charging me 10% every 5 years, though. They won't miss that invoice, right? So I want you, many of you are young, some of you are retirees. I just want you to get richer, basically, and not giving all your money away to overpriced fund managers. I don't hold the ones in the middle, but they were in my list because I can't buy everything, okay? And there are some which Goldman's like, which I don't. But for you to have that same level of confidence, you need to know you're going to look at three things: value, revenue growth, cash flow. And that kind of stuff you can learn off the internet, but Google Finance, Yahoo Finance will have that kind of stuff. 12 months, 15 to 20 stocks. Don't buy hundreds because you think, oh, I'll put a bit in everything. We're not in the spray and pray business because we need to get a return, okay?